Welcome to 30 Day Reviews. I'm Justin, and over the last few years I have reviewed, well, quite a few different beard oils. And today I'm going to take you through 3 of those that really stand out to me and that I definitely like. Now, as I go through this list of beard oils, you will see a pop-up right up here that will pop up and be able to take you directly to that product's full review. Or at the end of this video, you can always go down and check out the links in the video description as well. The first beard oils that we're going to take a look at today are the Apothecary 87 beard oil line. They did a very nice job on the packaging. As you can see, they've got a couple of nice pictures on them. They got a great design on the front. However, what I really like about the packaging is that it has a nice little hole in there to make sure and help that your product gets to you in one piece. Now, although their packaging is nice, the best thing about them is their size of beard oil. This comes in at a little more expensive than what your typical beard oils do. However, you get a full ½ ounce more of the Apothecary 87 beard oil than you do in your typical beard oil 1 ounce container. So that definitely helped Apothecary 87 kind of stand out from the rest. The next beard oil we're going to talk about comes in some very unique bottling, and that of course would be Gibbs Beard Oil. They did one heck of a job with the glass skulls with different hats on them. Now, although the containers could get them into this list pretty much on their own, that's not actually why they made it into this list. See, I like the Gibbs Beard Oil because it is a much thicker beard oil than most beard oils are. I'd have to say that this would definitely constitute as a heavyweight beard oil, which means to me anyway that it does stick in there a little bit longer and gives a little bit more time to be able to soak into your pores and your beard. The scent of these are both pretty decent as well, and if you're not looking to have to wear a cologne, you could definitely use one of these in its place because they are fairly strong and they pretty much smell, well, like cologne. Now, before I tell you the third beard oil on this list, I want you to go down in the comment section and let me know what your top 3 beard oils would be. The last one on this lineup is definitely one of my more favorite products, and I like it mainly because it went a completely different direction than most beard oils do. And that, of course, is the one and the only Bossman jelly. It's got a jelly consistency. It is very easy to apply to the beard, and it definitely took a different take on what beard oil could be. I also like this because, well, it is a bit of a balm as well. So if you just need to get things a little bit under control, the beard jelly can help with that as well. And that there is my list of 3 beard oils that I have enjoyed and that I do really like, that I have reviewed over the past several years. Hopefully this list has given you an idea of a few beard oils that you should try out. And if you like this list or you don't like this list, I do want to know about it down below. Also, like I said earlier, I want to know what 3 beard oils would be on your top 3 list. If you want to see more of the beard oils that I have reviewed in the past, make sure to check out this playlist right here. Down below, that's a video that you're going to probably enjoy as well. And until next time, as always, you have a good one.